I'm going to show you how to replace the nozzle and adjust the gas flame of gas range of 4 burner. Throughout the process, you use a screwdriver and spanner and an ignitor. Step 1. Make sure that the stove is not in use and has cooled down completely before attending any repairs. Then, remove the grate and take out the water tray. Step 2. Adjust the gas flame. Turn the switch to the ignition position and fire. You can see that the flame condition is not normal at this point. Look here. There's a screw at the bottom. Loosen it. And adjust the damper until the flame condition is normal. And tighten the screw again. That's it. Step 3. Replace the nozzle. Locate the nozzle. Use a spanner, remove the nut connecting the nozzle by returning it. And use a screwdriver to loosen this screw. Then you can take the nozzle out. This is the nozzle. And we just need to follow the previous steps to reinstall the new nozzle. It is done. Remember to test the stove before using it to ensure that everything is working properly. Thank you for watching.